Okay, well this is the product support video just showing you the orphan teacups. Call them orphan because we're selling these without saucers or side plates for the replacement market where you've just broken your handle or you just need a spare teacup to make your setup. C-shaped teacup, Doulton period of manufacture, plain rim, no scalloping, no indents around the rim, just a plain round rim with gilt and a double looped handle. In fine condition, pattern decoration all the way around the outside. Colclough didn't put any decoration on the inner side of their Wayside teacups, and a nicely marked base with the standard black crown and Colclough made in England. A few of them have got this pattern number 8581, which is specific to Wayside, but not all teacups in that design will have that. Quite normal, just maybe around 10% of them, to be fair. If you're looking for this teacup, it's available for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website, and we'll put a link description in below taking you through to the website listing for this one. Thanks for watching.